everyone, this is SolanahHoshi auditioning for Nature Child. I'm sorry I haven't updated in a while, but mostly I'm working on some animations right now, and yeah. So, I guess I could try. Well, I'm gonna do the main characters first, then Sky and Teacher 2, the drama queen. I'm sick right now, so my voice does not sound like it usually would. Okay, I'm going to start with Crystal. Am I really that good? Let me try it again, because I don't think it really sounds like that. So I know you don't need me for episode 1 yet. Am I really that good? Sounded creepily good. My dog is staring at me funny. And you can see her. Okay. Well, sorry. Well, at least I have a GCSE in sarcasm. Well, at least I have a GCSE in sarcasm. Okay, now for Clement. Stop staring at me funny. Sokatoa. That's the way you remember trigonometry. Sokatoa. That's the way you remember trigonometry. Well, excuse me for trying to have a little fun every once in a while. Whoops. Well, excuse me for trying to have fun for once. And now for Nakita. You can never have too many shoes. Okay, that sounded really fake. You can never have too many shoes. Sorry, it's kind of my nose. It sounds so weird. You can never have too many shoes. You're so mean! That sounded creepy and weird. Excuse me? Okay. Man! There's like a lot of availables. So, yeah, okay. I'm gonna do Sky, Teacher 2, and the voice. I don't know if it's male or female or whatever, but I'm gonna try. I'm pregnant. I'm sorry. What are you talking about? I'd never lie. Now for the voice. Oh, wouldn't you like to know? Oh, wouldn't you like to know? Sorry for the creepy laugh at the end. Is there a point to this tragic story? And now for Teacher Atul. Wait, unless history teacher is a male, I'm gonna go for him. In case you haven't noticed, the bell rang 3 minutes ago. In case you haven't noticed, the bell rang 3 minutes ago. My lesson has started, so you must listen. My lesson has started, so you have to shut up and listen. teacher too. I have one question. Where have you been? I have one question. Where have you been? I don't know isn't an answer. Get out of my classroom! I don't know isn't an answer. Get out of my classroom!